One of the challenges we did have as a new school is building relationships with families and really selling a vision of what a technology primary school is all about. And a big part of being able to, I suppose, make those connections with our families was really building relationships, and we use technology to do that.
Smart has been an important part of the way we teach using technology in the school since we opened 2 years ago. We have smart boards in every classroom, we have smart display screens in most of our classrooms in addition to touch panels, and we're even beginning now to use some of the newer tools like ToolSense within our learning.
It's been a very positive experience as a parent. I've been able to watch as they settle into the school, as they spend a lot of time with her teachers, more time than what she spends with family really. So allowing school life and home life to blend into one, and it takes a village to raise a child. So with the support of such an amazing school, teachers, a bigger, wider community, I feel like I'm co-parenting extremely well.
Still to this day, I think we communicate better with parents now. So we use software more appropriately, we use it more effectively, and I think it's just probably more of a breath of fresh air really. That platform enables us to give a window into the classroom for those parents to not only just communicate that way, but for them also to see what their children learn on a day-to-day basis too.
The technology that we used allowed families a window into our school life and to class life that perhaps they wouldn't normally get. The fact that they were able to find out and understand what was happening in the class, to see either photos or videos of what their children were doing, really helped break down those barriers.
Archie doesn't tell me nothing at home. What have you done today at school, Archie? Oh, nothing, I can't remember. Just having that go-to to look at least we get an idea and an insight into what is happening at school.
What Shireland is really good at is understanding the whole, that if they build a strong relationship with the children in school, in turn it has a fantastic impact on the health and well-being of our whole community.